Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to use the portrait mode on Snapchat. When you use the portrait mode, basically the objects on the foreground will be focused. Similarly, the objects on the background will be blurred. I'm going to show you how to access this feature on Snapchat. Let's get started. So first of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Here you can see the camera of Snapchat, and here on the right side of the screen you can see a bunch of icons. Among them is the plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it and you'll see this menu. Here scroll down. Now at the bottom of the menu you can see the option focus. Go ahead and tap on it. Now the focus mode, it will basically allow you to capture portrait pictures. You can simply direct the camera to the objects you want to capture and it will be captured on the portrait mode. And now you can either save the picture to your gallery or send them to your friends. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.